What if the invisible shield protecting Earth suddenly vanished? Skies glowing, satellites falling, and sunlight itself killing us. This isn't science fiction. It's a danger already unfolding. The invisible shield we never notice. Picture this: Earth floating in space, naked, exposed, no protection, no safety net. Just a fragile blue world facing the sun's deadly rage. Sounds like a sci-fi disaster movie, right? But it's real, and the only reason we're safe is because of one thing: an invisible shield. You can't see it, you can't touch it, but it's protecting you every single second. Without it, deadly radiation and solar winds would rip through the air, scorch the surface, and strip away the very oxygen we breathe. And here's the crazy part: most people don't even know it exists. But what if this silent armor suddenly failed? What the magnetic field actually does. Think of Earth as a tiny ship in a cosmic ocean. But this ocean isn't calm. It's violent. Waves of radiation, storms of charged particles, blasts of solar wind moving millions of miles per hour. Without protection, this little ship sinks instantly. That's where the magnetic field steps in. It's our invisible force field. It bends, it deflects, it shields, like holding up an umbrella in a raging storm. The rain still falls, but you stay dry. But what happens when the umbrella rips? Or worse, disappears completely? Signs of a weakening shield. Here's the unsettling truth: Earth's magnetic field isn't steady. It's already showing cracks. There's a place called the South Atlantic Anomaly. Satellites flying through it glitch and fail. It's like an invisible Bermuda Triangle in space. And history? It's even scarier. Over millions of years, Earth's magnetic field has flipped. North becomes south, south becomes north. The last big flip? 780,000 years ago. And right now, it's weakening again. Are we watching the first signs of collapse? The moment Earth loses it all. Imagine this. One morning, the shield is gone. At first, it looks beautiful. Auroras everywhere, not just at the poles, but across the tropics. Skies glowing brighter than city lights. People stare in wonder, not realizing they're watching disaster unfold. Hours later, satellites start dying. GPS disappears. Planes fly blind. Astronauts scramble for shelter. And then, radiation hits Earth directly. The shield is gone. We're defenseless. Radiation, chaos, and a bare planet. Satellites? Dead. GPS? Gone. Banking, internet, power grids, chaos everywhere. But the bigger threat? The sun itself. Invisible radiation seeps deeper into our air. DNA damaged. Cancer risks skyrocket. Every time you step outside, you're being poisoned. Over time, solar wind strips away the atmosphere. Oceans shrink. Air thins. And Earth begins to look like Mars. The real question isn't if technology survives. It's whether we survive. Life finds a way, or does it? Could humanity fight back? Maybe. Underground cities,
artificial shields in space, technology as our last hope. But nature, it's not so lucky. Birds, turtles, whales, all guided by Earth's magnetism. Without it, they lose their compass. Migrations collapse. Ecosystems unravel. Maybe we adapt, but survival comes with impossible costs. The long-term fate of Earth. Fast forward thousands of years, Earth is unrecognizable. Skies pale, oceans evaporated, forests gone. The blue planet, a silent desert, just like Mars. And the haunting thought, maybe Mars isn't just a neighbor. Maybe it's our reflection. Why this matters right now? Here's the twist. The shield is weakening right now. But don't panic. It won't vanish overnight. It shifts. It flips. It changes. Still, weaker fields mean more danger. Satellites, power grids, even our health, all at risk. But there is hope. We're preparing. Stronger spacecraft, safer systems, human innovation pushing limits. And nature, it's resilient. Life has survived every magnetic flip before. Maybe we will, too. So maybe the real question isn't what protects us now, but rather, what other hidden shields are out there keeping us alive?